Attention, Spartans. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that is important to many of us: finding a girlfriend. As a Master Chief, I have faced many challenges in my time, but I know that finding the right person can be one of the most difficult. However, I believe that with dedication, patience, and courage, we can all succeed in this mission. First and foremost, be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, or try to impress someone by pretending to be someone you're not. The right person will appreciate you for who you are. Confidence is key. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Don't be afraid to approach someone you're interested in and start a conversation. Be respectful and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Be patient. Finding the right person takes time. Don't rush things or try to force a relationship. Focus on building a connection and let things develop naturally. Above all, remember to be kind and respectful to others, regardless of whether or not they're interested in you romantically. This will show that you're a good person and make you more attractive to others. So, Spartans, I urge you to take on this mission with courage and determination. Keep these tips in mind and stay true to yourself, and you'll find the right person for you. Good luck.